folks, this is Aditya Rajha from InspiredRise.com, and today we are going to talk about the new range of TVs by LAECO. So guys, without wasting much time, let's begin. So guys, LAECO launched 3 TVs, the range of 4K Super TVs in India. The 3 models launched here are under their Super 3 lineup of smart televisions. They are powered by Android based EUI, which is also seen on LAECO's phones. And these are the LETV, Super 3 X55, Super 3 X65 and Super 3 Max 65. All of the 3 TVs are powered by Cortex A17 based quad-core processors, which are clocked in at around 1.4 GHz and Mali T760 GPU. And storage and memory options vary depending upon the model that you choose. The Super 3 X55 4K Ultra HD TV comes with a 55-inch panel, 2 GB of RAM, 8 GB of onboard storage with 2.0 stereo speaker system. There's also support for fast Wi-Fi AC connection and Bluetooth 4.0 also. It has Android 5.0 Lollipop based EUI and thin metal construction. The LETV Super 3 X65 and Super 3 Max 65 are 65-inch 4K UHD TVs, and the Max 65 is a 3D TV, and the panel is the only difference as opposed to the other TVs. This is the remote for the TV itself, and the innards on the other TVs are 3 GB of RAM, 16 GB of ROM, support for faster Wi-Fi EAC, and the same Android 5 Lollipop based EUI. And the LETV Super 3 X65 has a 20W 2.1 stereo plus subwoofer speaker system, and the Max 65 has a 40W 2.1 system inbuilt. The Max 65 has a 120Hz 4K UHD panel and has 85% NTSC color gamut. You get a lot of features like all of these, and you get browser applications also. Because of the fact that it's running Android, you can also install applications on this one, so that's good. And you get free content from Eros Now, Yup TV and Hungama for 2 years. And there's also a 2-year complete product warranty and a 4-year warranty on the display panel. The company already has 333 service centers in the country and a 24/7 call center support for any issues. The Super 3 X65 would retail for a price of around 99,790 rupees. The Super 3 Max 65 would retail for a price of around 1,49,790 rupees, and the Super 3 X55 would retail for a price of around 59,790. And you also get 2 years of LAECO membership with these, which is worth around 10,000 rupees, so quite good enough. All of these TVs are quite good, and the minimum entry point for these TVs is around 60,000 rupees. So I would say that these TVs are good, and you can also get a cashback of around 5,000 rupees in case you have a HDFC credit or debit card. You can easily use this TV to watch live TV through Yup TV and other applications also, and maybe you could even save on your bills because of the Yup TV application, so that's quite good. And LAECO is competing with brands like LG, Samsung, and by providing the 4K panel TVs at such a price. You would also get Eros Now content on this one for 2 years free, so that's quite good. You would get to see a lot of videos and everything on these TVs. So guys, this was it for this video. In case you liked this one, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is Aditya Rajha from InspiredRise.com signing off folks. Stay inspired to rise.